Dear students, today I am giving you question answer. Write the question answer in your notebook. The giant saw a most wonderful sight. What did he see? दूसरा question. What did he realize on seeing it? Answer. The giant saw that the children had entered the garden through a small hole in the wall and were sitting on the branches of trees. There was a child on every tree. The tree had covered themselves with blossoms as they were glad to have the children back. The birds were flying about and twittering in delight, and the flowers and grass were laughing out loud. Second, he realized that spring did not come to his garden because he had prevented the children from playing in his garden. He realized that he was selfish not to allow the children to play in his garden. Number 2 question. Why was it still winter in one corner of the garden? Answer. In one corner of the garden there was a tree all covered with frost and snow. The north wind was blowing and rearing above it. A little boy was standing in front of it but could not reach its branches. As a result, there was still winter in the part of the garden. Third question. Describe the first meeting of the little boy and the giant. The first meeting of the giant and the little boy was beneath the tree that was covered with frost and snow. The giant took him gently in his hands and put him up into the tree. The tree at once blossomed and birds came and sang on it. The little boy stretched out his two arms, flung them round the giant's neck and kissed him. Number 4 question. Describe their second meeting after a long interval. Answer. In their second meeting after a long interval, the giant was surprised to see the tree covered with lovely white blossoms. Its branches were golden and silver fruit hung down from them. The little boy stood underneath it. The giant went towards him in great joy. The giant asked the boy who had wounded him. The child smiled and said the giant that he had let him play in his garden that day he would come with him to the garden which was paradise. Number 5 question. The giant lay dead, all covered with white blossom. What does this sentence indicate about the once selfish giant? Answer. The white blossom that covered the giant indicate that he was not selfish anymore. He had wondered how mean he had been by not allowing the children to play in his garden. He had realized his mistake and was kind to the children from then on. That is why his body was covered with white blossoms when he died.